You're not supposed to do that. I need my license plate back on my car. I have 6 days. Don't touch me.
So you're gonna call more people?
I'm gonna call my people and say, come get my kids. Are you stupid?
Yeah.
I'm a thoracic cardiosurgeon at Atlanta. I'm on call and I've been called from the hospital. My patient is dying. I need to go.
You won't believe the scene when a woman defies the police and even threatens violence right in the middle of the street.
Don't touch me, sir. Back up. You're making it worse because I didn't touch you, so don't touch me.
So this tag, as you can see, we got in Missouri. This car is not registered. It's an unregistered motor vehicle. This tag is not assigned to this vehicle. You're not the registered owner of this vehicle either. This vehicle comes back out of Wisconsin.
A dispute over speed in a temporary license plate escalates into a terrifying rage. This woman insists she wasn't speeding, but the radar says otherwise. The first confrontation with the police will leave you breathless.
You're not supposed to do that. I need my license plate back on my car. I have 6 days. Don't touch me.
So you're gonna call more people?
I'm gonna call my people and say, come get my kids. Are you stupid?
Yeah.
Don't touch me, sir. Back up. You're making it worse because I didn't touch you, so don't touch me.
A temporary license plate sparks a tense showdown. She demands the police return it, but who does the law actually side with?
Drinking because I'm telling you what I was going.
Because you're doing 35
you want to do a breathalyzer or not? Okay.
Okay, so the temporary license plate is expired today and is no longer assigned. You have a new license plate
I
assigned to
have
the vehicle.
6 days to get a new license. Can you put my license plate back?
No, this license plate is no longer assigned to this vehicle. You have a new license plate assigned to it.
Okay, well I haven't picked it up yet. That one hasn't expired yet. So you can put my license plate back today. So I still got 6 days to go get it. So I would like for you to put that back.
No, that's not how it works.
In the state of Florida, you have up to 6 more days to drive with an expired license plate, temporary. So I need you to put that back before I be suing you.
You can sue me.
Okay, I need you to put that back.
But when I run the
because I don't
license
have my
plate,
tag.
it's no longer assigned to the vehicle.
It is assigned to the vehicle.
It's not.
So I need you to go
Did
put
you
that
see
back.
my
It's
computer?
a temporary. Do you need to see my registration?
No, I don't.
Okay,
because this
but
is
I
no
have
longer
30
assigned to the
days.
vehicle.
Okay, I have 30 days to get a tip. This is just expired today.
Yes.
So I have 6 more days to get my license plate.
Wrong.
Yes, I do.
We're not going to argue on the side of the road so I can get hit by a car
So
while
you
I'm
have a
talking
license
to you.
plate to put on my car?
No,
So I need to put that one back.
you need to go get it.
Exactly. So put that back so I can
No,
go get it.
it's not assigned to the car. I'm not having
Yes,
this
it is.
discussion
I
with
have my registration in my.
you. You're getting a
in
ticket
my-
today
in
for
there.
speeding. We can go in front of the judge and we can explain how
I
you
need
were
you to
speeding
put my
today.
license plate
There's a
back.
fine that you can pay or call the
I need
number
you
to
to put
traffic
my
court.
license plate back.
I'm not putting license plate back. You're free
Yes,
to go.
you are.
No,
I have my registration in
You're free
here.
to go.
Which you never asked for.
I don't need it. You're free
Yes,
to go.
you do. It's a temporary license plate. You're not
You are
supposed
free
to
to
take
go.
that.
You are
I
free
need
to
my
go.
license plate. How am I going to drive without a license plate? Make it make sense.
Just drive.
I need a license plate. How am I going to go
Stop.
drive without a license plate?
I'm not talking to you anymore. You're free to go.
She continuously yells, resists, and even threatens violence. You won't believe how the police stay calm in the face of this fury.
Get back in your
My
car.
license plate.
Get
You're
back
not
in your
supposed to
car.
do that. You're not
back
supposed
in
to
your
do
car.
that. I need my
back
license
in
plate
your
back on
car.
my car. I have 6 days.
If you don't get back in your car, you're going to
bitch,
get
you ain't
arrested.
gonna ban me, hoe.
If you're going to
You
get back in
hoe.
your car,
You bitch.
get back in your car.
I'll shoot your ass.
Get back in the car.
I'm a license, bitch. What's wrong with you? Get the f out my face before I slap your ass. Get the f out my face. Don't touch me. Freedom of speech, bitch. Get the f out my face.
Send me a 94, 1018.
Get your ass out my face. Don't touch me. If I don't touch you, don't touch me. Simple. Get your ass out my
You're
face.
going to be arrested.
For
Get
what?
out of the car.
For what?
Get out
What
of
are
the
you
car.
arresting me for?
Get out of the car.
What are you arresting me for?
Get out of the car.
What are you arresting me for?
Get out of the
What are you arresting me for? I need
Get
to
out
know.
of the car.
What are you arresting me
I
for?
told you to get back in the car.
What are you arresting? Okay, so what?
So
I
get
can
back
stand
in the
out in the
car.
street if I want
Start
to.
threatening me, telling
I
me
can
you're
stand out in the
arrested.
street. I can stand in the street. Do I have a
First, tell me
gun?
that you're
No, I
arrested.
don't. So you can't arrest me.
You're
Let
going
me
to be
go.
arrested. Stop.
Let me go then.
Stop.
I have
Get out of
kids.
the
Let
car.
me go.
Get out of the car.
I'm not getting out the car.
Get out of the car.
Let me go because you're arresting me for no reason.
out of
Let
the
me
car.
go
Now
now.
you're going to get another charge for
Let
resisting.
me go. I'm not resisting. You're
Stop.
arresting me for no reason. Let me call
Stop.
my people.
Stop.
Don't pull me. Do not pull me. I'm going
Okay.
to call my people.
Okay.
Let me go.
You can sit here until my backup gets
I
here.
don't care.
You're not gonna
Don't
call
touch
anybody.
my phones. You stupid. Don't touch me.
So you're going to call more people?
I'm
so
gonna
you can
call
come
my
and
people
fight.
say, come get my kids. Are you
Come
stupid?
fight. Yeah.
So I can go get my kids. Are you
Stop.
stupid?
Stop.
I have 2 kids in here.
Stop. Stop.
Don't touch me, sir. Back up. Don't touch me. I'm telling you, don't touch me.
You're making this worse.
You're
than
making it worse because I didn't touch you, so don't touch me.
You're making this worse than me.
Don't touch me. I'm calling my family. Say, come get my kids. Is you stupid?
Get out of the car.
Don't touch me.
Get out of the car.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Stop trying to touch my
You're
phone.
really making this
Stop
worse
trying
than
to
it
touch
used to
my
be.
phone. I have the right to use my phone. This
No,
is
you
my
don't.
phone. Yes,
You
I
are
do.
under arrest. I'm telling you right now.
I'm
You're
not
under arrest.
for anything.
And you are resisting.
I'm not under arrest for anything.
You are
Back
under
up.
arrest.
Back up. Let me go,
Oh
sir.
my God, you're going to
Let
be
me go.
tased.
Let me
You're
go.
gonna get tased. You
For
want to get
what?
tased in front of your
So-
shop?
With young children in the car, continuous threats, and defiant actions, what must the police do to control this dangerous situation?
I have two. You are
Stop.
speaking. He keeps touching me. I have two kids in
Get out of
here.
the car.
I got two kids. I need somebody to come get my
Get out of the
kids.
car.
You're scaring my kids.
You're scaring your
No,
kids.
you
Get
are.
out of the car.
I need somebody to come get
Get
my
out
kids.
of the
No,
car.
I'm not getting out of my car. I'm not getting out of my car.
This is incredible.
I didn't touch you, so don't touch me.
Get out of the car.
I didn't touch you, so don't touch me. You arrest me for nothing because I said I'm gonna shoot you. That's not okay. So what? It's a freedom of speech, sir. It's a freedom of speech, sir. I can say what I want in my mouth. It's a freedom of speech. You're mad? You're mad because you're racist? You're mad because you're racist? Yeah, you're racist. You asked me like, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Like I said, don't touch me. Wait till your other officers get here. Don't touch me. I'll let them arrest me. You don't touch me.
You're funny.
You don't touch me. Don't touch me. Honey, I'm over here by Rosier Street, by my house. He's arrested me because I told him I'm going to shoot him and I don't care. Because you're racist, sir. You're racist. And I got my license. I don't care. I got a registered license. I got a registered license. Don't touch me. He keep touching me and I told him not to touch me. I don't want. No, I'm not. I got kids here. I'm not going nowhere without my kids. No. I said, I don't want you to touch me. I will let somebody else touch me. I don't want you touching me. I'll let somebody else touch me.
Up against the car.
In the end, she was taken into custody, and every action was recorded. But the legal consequences of her defiance are even more severe than you think.
I'm trying to
I'm not
help
yelling
you.
at you. I'm talking to you,
I'm
sir.
walking back to my
You
car.
are-
She got out of her car, started walking towards me, said that she was going to shoot me, started calling me all kinds of racist names because I took her expired temporary license plate. So I tried to 10-15 her. She got back in the car. She started calling people. She wouldn't get out. And I said,
Ma'am,
would come
my license plate expired today. It's not even the end of today yet.
You just need to calm down. Let me
put her in the
figure
car.
out.
You
Yeah.
took my license plate off my car for no reason.
She's got kids in the car,
For
too.
no reason. It's illegal. I'm suing you. I am suing you. You cannot take my license plate if it's not even passed today. If it was the 27th, I would understand. It's the 26th. You cannot do that. So you're going to jail. I'm telling you, I'm suing y'all. I am definitely suing y'all. I'm not saying. I am suing y'all. And you touched my phone. You hung up my phone. Yeah, I'm suing you, sir.
You did pat down already? No, I didn't.
I am suing you.
Any gloves? Just the bodysuit, so I think that it's...
Take a step back.
I don't think she has any pockets.
Well, I'm not afraid of my legs, so I've
Spread
never
your
been
legs.
arrested before, so.
Well, I'm helping you. Listen to me.
I'm spreading. How far you want me to go?
Step back.
Partner did illegal shit. He did illegal shit.
I highly doubt it, but we're gonna figure it out.
Sir, he took my license plate for no reason. Today's the 26th. Why did he take my license plate? Today.
I haven't
Expired
been here.
today.
Okay,
That's not expired, is it? I'm confused. Is that expired?
Well, give me a minute.
That's
I just got
illegal.
here.
I'm trying to bend my legs. I can't stand up like that.
What's your name?
Jamila.
Okay, attention to me. Okay? So, once
Just want a bodysuit, so she should be good.
I'll help you out. I'll figure it out. I'll be able to explain it to you. I'll be able to explain it to you. I got you. I will be able to explain it to you once I know what the heck's going on.
Okay, I
All right?
understand.
All right,
But
so
I
what
want
we're
you.
gonna
I
do
want to
right
ask
now-
you a question.
Yep.
If my license plate expired today, I have
Let
until
me figure
tomorrow
this
to
out.
get a license plate, right?
We're gonna get in the car, okay? All right, get in the car.
In Florida, resisting an officer can be punished with up to 1 year in prison and /or a $1,000 0-cents fine. Making violent threats can carry up to 5 years in prison and /or a $5,000 0-cents fine. And using a temporary license plate improperly can result in up to 60 days in jail and /or a $500 0-cents fine. The woman was taken into custody on charges of resisting an officer, making violent threats, disputing a temporary license plate, and endangering the safety of children in the vehicle. Up next, the police pulled her over just for an obscured license plate, but the woman's reaction instantly turned the situation explosive.
You just hit me because you saw my face.
Ma'am, I've never even met you.
Okay.
I don't know who you are. Do you have your license, registration, and proof of insurance? I'm going to ask you one more time, and then this is going to go a completely different way.
You're gonna arrest me?
If you refuse to give me the documents I've requested, yes,
If
we're
you
going to go
tell
down
me
that
what
route.
is my infractions, I will give you
That's
my
not how that works.
No, that's how exactly.
This is
it
my
works.
traffic stop,
I
and you
know.
are not going to dictate
I
how
know
this
you're not.
is done.
Ma'am, officer, dear ma'am, I am not complaining about you stopping me.
I'm asking you my right to know why you have stopped me.
And
What is my
I've
infraction?
already explained to you 3 times now.
I am not going to
Once
give you
you provide
my
the documents.
information
Okay.
if I did not commit
fine.
a crime.
That's fine.
Because you are discriminating on me.
Okay.
Okay? Here's my driver license. That's the only thing I'm going to give you. Just to verify who you're dealing with.
Why do you have 3
You-
different licenses?
Did you just hear what I said?
I didn't, actually.
You didn't. Because you don't care. See? You don't
Okay.
care about people.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sorry you feel that way.
No.
Can I see your other ones as well,
No,
please?
you cannot.
It's a crime to have more than one.
This is not a crime.
Okay.
This is my license and I'm not going to give it to you.
Okay. Do you have the registration and proof of insurance as well, Miss
Why,
Maria?
First of all, I'm a doctor. And
Okay.
I earned that because I studied until the age of 36. And I saved so many officers shot in the chest. And I regret it since I met you.
Okay. I'm
And
sorry you
I'm gonna
feel that
make
way.
a big stink out of this.
I'm sorry you
Because
feel that
I
way.
did not do nothing.
Okay.
You just stopped me because I was low, studying on the red. Because the guy was telling me that my tire is leaking.
Okay.
Shame on you.
She refused to show her full documents, citing her rights and threatening to call the mayor. A showdown of authority erupted right on the streets of Atlanta.
It's from
So
the
why are you
tax.
doing this to me?
It comes
Why-
from the tax
honestly,
collector's office.
Why are you doing this to me? I live right there. You make me shaking in my boots for nothing I committed. Please stop it. I'm asking you, please. On my knees, stop
Can I
it.
also get a supervisor, please?
You know, just for your record, I'm coming from my husband, which is dying. Just for your record. Okay? And I'm sorry that I am out of my mind. I don't know if you have a husband or a girlfriend or whatever you have. But my husband is dying. And it's not a lie. Okay? And just happened 2 days ago. He's on life support. Mercy, please.
Okay. Well, again, I've asked you 3 times for the registration and proof of
I don't know what my
insurance.
registration is.
Okay. Do you have your proof of insurance?
I do have my proof of insurance.
Okay.
Listen, I have never been stopped in my life. This is my first time. My first time. Check my records.
Okay. As you can see, her tag is flipped up, clearly indicating that there's no way to read the tag. This is out of Missouri.
I gave my driver license.
Okay, but at no point does it say that we're required to explain anything to you about the reason for the stop.
I want to be explained. I asked, why did you stop me?
Well, that would be an explanation, right?
Well, why did you stop me?
I just told you.
A brand new car, temporary plates, and incomplete paperwork. What seemed like a minor issue quickly escalated into a high-tension legal showdown.
Orlando Police Department stopped a cardiothoracic surgeon on his way from the hospital, right? Just because you don't like the Mercedes, you don't like the face, and my plate is covered, which I don't even know because this is a brand new car. Are you the supervisor?
No, I'm not.
This is horrible. My first time in 62 years, I'm 62 years of age, that you ever stopped for no reason. No reason. I have 5 cars. This car is brand new and we just shipped from so. And for no reason she stopped.
Okay.
No reason. She didn't give me any reason.
All right. The supervisor's on the way, so.
So, excuse me.
Yes.
I'm a thoracic cardiosurgeon at Atlanta Health. I'm on call and I've been called from the hospital. My patient is dying. I need to go. How
Okay.
are we gonna do this?
Let me go ask real quick.
Please.
So she said that she is a surgeon at Advent Health, and she just said that she got a text from the hospital that her patient is dying and that she needs to respond immediately.
Don't have to wait till I'm done with my contract.
She claimed to be a surgeon rushing to save a patient, yet the police remain firm. Tension escalated by the second on the streets of Atlanta.
That's why I was trying to come explain.
What's the citation for?
Okay. It's a criminal citation. She has to sign it. She has the court date is on the bottom.
Why
To sign where the X is.
For what reason?
The attached tag is not assigned. So this tag, as you can see, we got in Missouri. This car is not registered. It's an unregistered motor vehicle. This tag is not assigned to this vehicle. You're not the registered owner of this vehicle either. This vehicle comes back out of Wisconsin, not Missouri.
I just bought this car at Karl Marx.
Okay. Well, I'm telling you what
Okay,
my
no
teletype
problem.
is telling
I'm
me.
just gonna go.
Okay.
right.
We're gonna look like stupid in court because you're telling me that I stole this vehicle. Is that what you did?
That's not what I'm saying. I did not say the vehicle stolen.
Why are
I
you
said
taking the place
the
off?
tag is not assigned to the vehicle. The attached tag that you have on this vehicle is not assigned.
So which tag is attached to?
Not this. It's not registered. There's no tag assigned to it whatsoever. That's what I'm telling you.
Excuse me.
So that made.
No, excuse me. Okay, fine. I agree with you. What's the serial number on that tag?
There is no serial number.
No, this is a VIN.
A VIN. Yes, correct.
Please can you check the VIN of the car?
That's not the issue. You're not listening to what I'm saying. The VIN comes back to a vehicle out of Wisconsin.
This guy was never in Wisconsin.
I'm just telling you what they're telling me. When you run the VIN, it comes back out of Wisconsin, not Missouri.
So.
And it is not registered.
Excuse me. Mercedes SLKs are being assembled in Wisconsin. In fact. Surprise, Wisconsin. That's where they manufacture the vehicle.
Missouri is the tag.
Yes, but that's the V number, man.
Look, 10 of 24.
I understand.
We are in April
And
of
that isn't-
25.
Okay.
The vehicle is not registered. That is a criminal offense. You can be going to jail.
That's fine. I'll see you.
Instead of me taking you to jail, I wrote you a criminal citation to go to court.
No, you can take me to court. if you want.
I am. It's right here.
Well, that's only.
That's
If you
your
want to
court date.
take me to court,
It's only if you.
I'm gonna follow you.
Go ahead.
Please do it.
You can sign right there.
No, please take me to court.
Ma'am,
That's another fact. You see how she talks?
I think she's just being straight with you.
No, she said me, if you don't sign this, I will take you to jail. I've never been
It
in
is a
jail in my
criminal
life.
citation. You
So,
have to sign it.
since it's a criminal
You know-
ticket, you're by law you're
I'm
required
not
to
gonna
sign.
sign it. I'm not gonna sign it.
10-4.
Okay, hold on a second. Let's
Take me to jail. Take me to jail. I'm gonna pull more anymore. Take me to jail. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Take me to jail.
Instead of making an immediate arrest, the police issued a criminal citation and the woman refused to sign. Who would come out on top in this standoff? After finally signing, the case ended without a direct arrest. Routine patrol turned tense when Hobb police found a woman slumped in a moving, illegally parked car, leading to a combated confrontation.
Put your phone down. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm gonna tell you again or you're gonna get arrested.
Officers from the Hobb Police Department noticed a moving vehicle illegally parked with the driver slumped over the steering wheel. As they approached, they found a young woman waiting for her boyfriend, seemingly passed out in the driver's seat. When asked for her license, registration, and insurance, she immediately refused to provide identification and began questioning the officer's authority.
Roll the window down. How you doing, Officer Lacerda with the Hoboken Police Department? Can I get your license, registration, insurance, please? Is there any reason why we're parked here?
Yeah, because I'm waiting for my boyfriend.
We're waiting for your boyfriend? And what are we doing here? Why you slumped over?
Because I'm waiting for him to come down.
And why were you sleeping? Let me get your license, registration, insurance.
That.
Okay, thank you. Let me get your ID.
No, you're not getting my ID. You
What's
could arrest me because I have my...
You don't want to give me your ID?
Thank you for telling me that.
You
Who says she doesn't want to?
No, my lawyer's going to do better.
I want to know what's going on. Why were you slumped over?
Why am I not going to? It's a cold day, right?
It's a cold day. The car was on. You're sleeping. I'm wondering if
And
you're
the
okay.
heater's on.
I understand
No?
that, but you can't be sleeping in the
But
public
you cannot
roadway.
come at me like that.
Like
Do you know
what,
how many
miss?
times I've been abused by men?
Step out.
You can. My
Step
lawyer's
out.
going to do better.
Her boyfriend soon arrived, appearing even more intoxicated than she was. As the officers attempted to assess the situation, he became argumentative, demanding to know why they were being stopped. Remaining calm, the officers explained that her suspicious behavior required further investigation.
I'm on motor vehicle stop. This is your girlfriend?
Yes.
Okay.
I fell and I.
Okay, let me get your ID. You do have your ID. I see it right there.
No,
That was my last
Do me a favor, just step off to the side for me, please.
Why'd you take my car like that, babe?
Do me a favor, just step back here, please.
I'm taking my step back, but she has
He'll park here the corner. I can pull up to her. She's sleeping.
It's a
Okay.
parking spot.
Okay, miss, get out of the car before I pull you out. Please get out of the
That's what you wanna
vehicle.
do, right?
Please give me your ID. Please give me your registration.
I don't have.
Please give me your insurance.
Brian, where's your registration? Where's your insurance? Because I wasn't driving.
This is my insurance right here.
Because I wasn't driving.
That's fine. You were driving. You're operating the vehicle.
Yeah, right?
No, she wasn't. She was parked.
Because I turned on the car for the heater.
She was
because
parked.
he was still inside.
She was parked.
Thank you for the insurance.
She
Step
was
back,
parked.
please. I'm gonna tell you again, or you're gonna get arrested. You're gonna get arrested.
Step back.
You're gonna get arrested, bro.
You're not gonna get told again.
You did not.
I did not
Do
what?
me a favor. Step back from the vehicle.
And am I not step back?
Step back.
You're obviously not on the right side of mine. Okay, you've been drinking.
Despite repeated requests for her to step out of the vehicle, the woman refused, insisting that her lawyer would handle the situation. As a result, officers used force to remove her from the car and placed her under arrest.
Miss, I pulled up. You were completely slumped over. Okay, miss?
This mother
Come out of the vehicle.
I was sleeping in a car. For what?
Do me a favor. Step out of the vehicle, miss, before I pull you out of the vehicle. I need your license, registration. Listen to your lawyer, okay?
He already had it.
I need your license, registration. I don't need insurance. I have that
My
already.
registration is also on my phone.
Please give me your license before we have to take this a step further.
You got my insurance, right?
I got your insurance. Thank you, sir.
Let me give you my registration.
No, I wasn't. I was sleeping in the car again.
Where in the car were you sleeping? In the passenger seat or the driver's seat?
Driver's seat, because I turned it on to put it on. It's bullshit.
The vehicle was on. It was here. I was hitting the sirens. No. Do me a favor, miss. Step back over here, please. I've been being nice to you. Step to me, please. That's all I've been asking you. All I asked for tonight was your ID, registration, insurance,
I don't
and
have
it was
my
everything
ID.
else.
You want to look at my wallet?
Okay, that's fine. No, I don't have to go through your wallet. You don't have your ID.
All
That's
the time,
fine.
right? Because there's people here.
Where were you tonight?
Here.
Where's here?
Do you see where the car is parked?
You were in Lola's. Have you had anything to drink tonight?
No.
No. So when I pulled you over, you were slumped over.
At the scene, the suspect was required to undergo a field sobriety test. She continuously argued with the officers and her lawyer, making complaints about health conditions and the cold weather affecting her ability to comply.
Honestly, that's your lawyer. If you want to call him back after everything is done, so then you got to put the phone down because I can't test you with the phone in your hand.
You have to blow breathalyzer. Make sure you blow the breathalyzer.
I will. I always do. But this is bullshit. I really didn't drive the car. This like for these. It was that piece of little midget ass piece of.
Hey, just talk to him afterwards, okay? I got to get this done.
Okay.
I need you to just move your eyes, okay? It's a test. It's part of the test.
Can I get my coat?
In a second. Just let me finish this.
Walk again. I cannot do that.
Listen, if you don't do the walk and turn, your lawyer would gladly tell you that I can just arrest you just based off the. I'm gonna give you one more shot. Because if not, then I'm just gonna arrest you at this point. Because you're not following directions, you're not being cooperative. I'm giving you what you're asking for. I don't know what they said to you prior to me getting here, and I really don't care. That has nothing to do with me. But I'm trying to put your hands behind your back.
You're recording, aren't you recording it?
You've been saying a lot of.
And I don't give a. I can say more.
You can say whatever you want. That don't hurt my feelings.
After failing the sobriety test, she was transported to the police station. Even in handcuffs, she continued her tirade of insults and accusations, attempting to provoke the officers.
I'm not gonna ask you again to back up. Back up.
What am I doing?
Back up. You're gonna get hit from obstruction, bro.
What am I doing?
Stop. I said get away from the car. Get away from the car. I will take the purse.
And what would you do?
And I'm gonna give it to her. Give me the purse.
No, I want to give it to her myself.
You're not gonna give it to
the
her.
officer that's arrested.
You're gonna get hit with obstruction, man. Stop.
Can you sit?
What am I doing?
He can get it at headquarters.
Siri, what's Mario's number?
All right, so she gets hit with restriction now. No.
Why would he do that?
Come real quick, because I got her stuff. You want to pull her leg in there?
No, can you let them know my lawyer's number? What did I do wrong?
Let's go. Come on.
Legitimately, from being in a car and turning it on. You know what it means. Come on, stand up.
Stop!
You guys let me up! Stop touching me!
Let's go. Stand up. Stand up.
My face like trying to my shoulder.
Let's go. You gonna stand up or what?
Stand up from you my ankle!
If you say
Oh no,
so.
you didn't, right? No, you didn't. No, you didn't. No, you didn't, right?
Let's go. You gonna get up or what?
Touch me again. You're a man who wants to manhandle me.
The suspect was charged with driving under the influence, DUI, and obstruction of justice, both of which carry significant legal consequences. New Jersey statutes Title 39. Motor Vehicles and Traffic Regulation 39-450. A person who operates a motor vehicle while under the influence of intoxicating liquor, narcotic, hallucinogenic, or habit-producing drug, or operates a motor vehicle with a blood alcohol concentration of 0.08% or more by weight of alcohol in the defendant's blood, or permits another person who is under the influence of intoxicating liquor, narcotic, hallucinogenic, or habit-producing drug to operate a motor vehicle the person owns or which is in the person's custody or control, or permits another to operate a motor vehicle with a blood alcohol concentration of 0.08% or more by weight of alcohol in the defendant's blood shall be subject at the police station. The woman was formally charged with DUI and obstruction of justice, with her actions captured on the officer's body-worn cameras. Meanwhile, her boyfriend's car was impounded as he was deemed too intoxicated to drive.
But grab you good.
As you should.
Grab you good. What? Okay. I grabbed you by your arms. Relax.
Oh, you hurt. Okay, keep talking to my lawyer.
No, afterwards you can call him. Yeah, I even let you speak to him on scene, which I shouldn't have even let you. But I gave you that opportunity. That's fine. If that was gonna,
first of all, you didn't give me no opportunity.
You called them. I could have easily just took the phone and said you cannot talk to him.
You didn't know where my phone was, so you couldn't.
You had it in your hand.
At the police station, the woman was formally charged with DUI and obstruction of justice, with her actions captured on the officer's body-worn cameras. Meanwhile, her boyfriend's car was impounded as he was deemed too intoxicated to drive. In a dramatic escalation, officers encountered a woman who not only fled from police, but also had a child in the car, setting the stage for an intense and dangerous pursuit. March 2, 2023, the incident began when a woman contacted the Trenton Police Department alleging that her ex-boyfriend had damaged her car and was stalking her. She claimed that he had rammed into her vehicle. However, when officers stopped Issa to discuss the matter, she suddenly fled the scene, initiating a police pursuit.
My car. I called the police station. The guy told me to bring him to 225. He hit my car. He been hitting it with 4 ways and everything. I just need my car. I'm signed into this car.
Who is it? Who is he?
That's my ex-boyfriend.
Were you downtown?
Mm-hmm.
On Lafayette?
I don't know the name.
And Warren? Is that where it started?
No, it started on Spring Street.
262 dispatch. This is gonna be what? Stop! What's your first and last name?
You hear me? I-S-O-M.
I need your last name first.
That is it.
What is it?
I-S.
Relax. O.
M as in Mary. Can I please?
Oh, what?
M as in Mary.
Listen to me. What's your date of birth?
Me at the second one. But ma'am, I was just scared. They tried to jump me, and I called the
262 dispatch. This is gonna be one I'm saying with the unknown trouble down.
The chase lasted for approximately 2 blocks before she crashed her vehicle with her 3-year-old son inside. Following the crash, she exited the car and attempted to escape on foot, but was apprehended after a brief foot chase.
Oh, shit. We're passing Regal. There's a child in the back seat.
She's running.
She's running. Stand by.
I got it. Stand in the car.
Let me see your hands. I have a gun. I'll shoot you. Why? Let me see your hands. Get the down. Get the down.
I'm just scared.
Send me across a 548.
You gotta be kidding me.
Wait, my city out. Can you put my city back?
Why are you running?
Because I'm scared.
Scared of what? Now you're worried about the baby. You worried about the baby now?
Hey, you go over her?
Before I get in, can I just catch my breath? I really can't breathe. Can I please catch my breath? There's caught in that car. I really can't breathe. He rode it with no damn.
Get in.
Okay.
What the is going on?
I'm about to tell you. Open the door.
No.
Okay.
No.
What deeply concerned the officers was the presence of the 3-year-old child in the vehicle. They observed that the child had not been secured in a car seat and had climbed into the front seat after the crash. As a result, officers immediately contacted the Division of Child Protection and Permanency, DCP&P, to assess the child's well-being and determine the appropriate next steps regarding custody.
When we pulled up, he was climbing out of the front seat. Like, they went around to go get her. We were right behind him. We pulled up, and he was literally...
474, coming in with 1 male under arrest. So he was not strapped in or anything?
I don't know. We weren't on the stop. We came from headquarters when they asked for help. As we were coming, I guess the car cut from them, and they said she crashed. We pulled up. They went around the car. We were going to follow them, but they called out of the driver's seat.
But when you found him, he was not strapped in or anything. Does he seem like he has any injuries?
I have Tim's coming to check him out just because he wasn't.
No, of course, but I'm just saying nothing obvious.
As we're coming down Southern, see these 2 cars on Perry. Just so they blow the red light there. We start making our way to follow them. I hit the lights. They both pull over. I'm like, all right, cool. Get another unit out here because I'm not really sure what the hell's going on. Female driver with the babies in this car.
Let us do what we got to do. We're going to take care of the child. We're going to make sure our number one priority is the child right now.
Can I just give you my mom's phone?
We're going to get it from you. All right? We're going to get it from you. We're going to get him. Listen. Like I said, our number one priority. We're going to check. We're going to have him get checked out. We got an ambulance coming to make sure he's okay. That's number one priority.
How old is your child? He's 3 years old. He's nonverbal.
Is the other gentleman the father?
No, he's my ex-boyfriend.
But is he the father of the child?
No.
Health is in the ambulance with the child.
Yes, ma'am. Mommy.
Relax.
Look, just look at her and see if the baby okay, please.
And around to
Mommy, I'm not a bad person. I take full responsibility. You got your nose up in the air at me because my baby was in that car. And I do understand that.
After her arrest, the woman was charged with eluding police, endangering the welfare of a child, and resisting arrest under New Jersey law. She was taken to police headquarters for processing, while her child was placed under the care of DCP and P.
You might not like me, but I'm not like that. It's not about like, because you tried that. I did not. I was scared. I'm not scared. Try funny. I'm not trying to listen. I'm going to meet you there. You know what? You don't got to threaten me because I didn't threaten you. Wait 1 second. Can I just pull my pants up real quick? Sure. It's like as soon as you get a whiff of somebody, that's just how you feel. No. You know what you did wrong. I didn't say that I didn't. I'm not playing the game with you. I'm not playing the game with you. I would never do that. It was wrong and I was scared. Y'all act like people don't be scared. And if your word came up and you seen the stuff that he said to me, that he said he wasn't I told you what we had to do. I understand that. But you know when you stand up, it comes out a little bit more faster. I'm just asking, can I go there? They're just going to ask you for your name. Okay, I don't mind. I just want to pick. I'm on my period. Like, come on. Is the person I spoke to today on the phone, we have no idea who that is, Ruby. I don't know. I don't know. It was a male. The first time I called, it was a male. The second time I called, it was a female. Then she said, hold on, and the same guy I talked to the first time, he called me back at least 2-3 different times before he threw the 4-way at my window when I hit that building. Like, I never came out the house to do all of that. Now, I understand it turned into whatever the love is from. I was scared. I should have did the rest of it.
Which shirt do you want to keep on? This one or this one? 1 second. Do you want to take this? Listen,
I need this one on because the one at the bottom is a bodysuit. It's not a shirt.
So that has to come off. One of them have to come off. You can't keep both on. All right. So if you want the bodysuit on, then this has to come off.
Can I just ask?
Wait 1 second. You're everywhere. I need you to focus here. Okay. So listen, so I can help you. So do you want this shirt or this?
I just said the top one.
In a shocking and heartbreaking moment, a DUI suspect lost control, tragically running over another woman. The chaos, captured on video, left witnesses horrified and questioning, how could this happen? As emotions ran high, law enforcement faced the grim reality of escalating charges amid public outrage and sorrow.
It's right there.
I need you over here, please.
Listen,
I need you over here, please. Thank you.
There's so much right on.
Where's your driver's license at?
I don't have a driver's license on me.
She's the
I'm not
driver.
the one that was driving.
You just said you were driving. I just
No,
heard
I
you.
know. We were drinking.
You just said you were driving.
Listen, there's been a lot going on today with my friend's fiance that they're supposed to have a wedding and they just I live
He's
right
inside.
around the corner. Like, I'm not a bad person. I have no record.
Okay,
no nothing.
but you gotta be honest with us.
I am being honest.
Okay. Were you driving?
No, sir. This is my grandma's car. I drove it here because I was worried about her. Like, I'm
Okay,
not. Like,
and
I'm
what
not
happened?
lying. What do you mean what happened? I came here and she was here. I was taking care of her fucking kids. I was taking care of her
Okay,
kids.
did you hit somebody with a car?
No, I was taking
Okay.
care of her kids.
Can you talk to me?
I was taking care of her.
Stay right here, okay?
I know, I was taking care of her kids.
Let me call you back. The cops are trying to talk to me. I love you.
She was drinking. I was
What
taking
happened?
care of her kids. Like, I was drinking and kids.
All right, okay, you're taking care of kids. Calm down.
What happened?
So, Bree had walked over here, and we were
Who's
talking.
Bree?
The one that's laying on the floor that got hit. She walked over here. Whatever. We was talking for a little bit, and then Caitlin and Raven had showed up, and they was knocking on the door or whatever. Well, we came. They knocked on the door. I told them to come in. They came in.
Okay, hang on. Short version. Who hit who with a car?
Driving her grandmother's car while intoxicated, the woman spun out and struck another person, leaving witnesses stunned. Initially denying involvement, she later admitted to driving but called it an accident, her story shifting repeatedly. How could someone ignore such accountability?
What did you hit her with?
Huh?
What did you hit her with?
I didn't hit her.
All right, now you're lying to an officer.
No,
Listen,
no, my
listen,
grandma.
listen.
Look, my
You're
grandma.
lying.
Not,
Now, listen.
I'm not lying. My
Yeah, you
grandma
are.
knocked us
All
the
right.
mirror
I'm
off.
asking you, how did you hit her?
I didn't
Okay?
hit her, my grandma.
I'm asking you, how did you hit her? With what
My
part of the
grandma
vehicle?
did this.
You're not listening to me, okay? I need you to relax,
I
okay?
am relaxed, but you're yelling at me. I have anxiety. Please just calm down.
Listen, what did you hit her with? With what part of the vehicle did you hit her with?
I didn't hit her.
You did hit her.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. Now you're lying.
No, I'm not. Can you prove it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Then I've never been in trouble. I'm a good person.
All right, you just calm down. Sit down right there, okay? Just sit down.
I
Just sit down. Sit down right there.
I can't sit down.
Do you have a driver's license?
No, I mean, no, but I do have a driver's license. I don't understand what's going on.
435.
Like, I'm a good person. Like, I love my best friend.
10-4. She's gonna be.
As tensions rose, the woman grew defensive, denying she hit anyone, even as witnesses spoke against her. Shifting blame and dodging questions only deepened officers' frustration. Identified as the driver, her anxiety was palpable, yet the truth remained unavoidable. How long could she evade responsibility as the DUI investigation unfolded?
From what we're gathering, she's been drinking, driving.
Who?
You.
And everybody else.
You need to calm down, because I'm already upset. I'm about to take you to jail.
No, I am calm. I am calm.
Don't even talk to me right now. Don't
No,
even
like,
talk. You
I
sit
live. Look,
Go back to the car. You're a liar.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
The only reason I drove.
Stop talking to me, please.
They would be okay because their kids were in the fucking
Right.
car.
Okay.
Their
You shouldn't be
kids were-
driving while you're drinking.
I only drove here.
You shouldn't be driving while you're drinking.
I know that, but she.
You shouldn't be driving while you're drinking.
She was, and so I fucking chose to drive.
Yeah, you shouldn't do that. You shouldn't chose that.
Car. My mom and my fucking uncle took care of her kids.
So
Well, I
I'm telling you right
can't
now. I'm telling you right now. You should calm down.
I am calm.
No, you're
I'm
not.
just saying,
You need to
it's
calm
not
down.
fair how you're trying to blame me for something that I'm trying to take responsibility of. Like, her kids, she was drinking, and I'm trying to fucking be the bigger person to come over here and get her. And get her and her kids.
You should have never been driving.
To her house in Welford.
You should have never been driving.
That's all. And my mom would have watched the kid. And I asked her.
So we're not here about the kids. We're here about you drinking and driving and hitting somebody with a car. Okay?
Can you go to my house?
No.
Yes, sir. I'm not going to be disrespectful. I'm just saying, like, I really did everything I could because me and Raven were worried about her. She is my best friend.
Okay.
And ever since we were at the dollar store, I tried to tell her, I was like, don't.
The woman's refusal to admit fault, along with the evidence of impaired driving, prompted police to take action. Officers informed her that her behavior was consistent with driving under the influence, and they needed her cooperation for a breathalyzer test to assess her blood alcohol content, BAC.
We're done with the crash investigation, okay?
Okay.
But now we're changing it to a DUI investigation.
What does that mean?
Then we're changing it to a driving under the influence investigation.
That's fine, but the only reason I was here was because I live right down the road, and my friend had something to handle, Bree, and the only reason I came here was to get her kids because she left her kids with me and my mom.
And how did you come here?
I live right down the road.
Okay.
And I asked my grandma for her car so I could come and get her and her kids so I could get them home safe and well.
Did you drive here?
I drove right here, yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we're doing a DUI investigation, okay?
That's fine, okay, yes, I understand, but I don't
So you
understand
shouldn't
why.
be drinking and driving.
No, I understand that, but I don't
why?
understand.
Because by accident you might hit somebody.
No, I haven't hit anybody, and that's what I'm saying.
So
like,
that's why we're doing it.
I came to get
You're good.
her.
You're
I
good.
came to listen.
You're good.
Please listen to me,
You're good.
please.
Not a big deal. You're making it worse than it is, okay?
No, I'm really not, but I only came here because I was trying to protect my friend.
Okay.
And I had possession. I had possession of her kid.
Where's your driver's license at?
My driver's license is at my house, which is literally right down the road, like a quarter turn right, and I live right down that road.
Can somebody
I live on Ridgewood.
Can somebody grab your license or no?
No, they can, but I can. You can drive me to my house.
No.
Yes, sir. Why is water here? I'm not a bad person. I have
No one said you were.
I have no.
The woman's reluctance to accept responsibility for her actions only worsened the situation, as officers explained the gravity of the situation, including the possible consequences of refusing a breathalyzer test. She continued to deny being intoxicated and attempted to shift focus onto her intention to help her friend and care for her children.
The only one fucking responsible for saving her kids once they fucking again, I'm the only one. No, because I'm the only one. I was there for her fucking son's birth.
Hey, listen to me.
No, I was there for her son's birth, and I'm the only one that gave
10-15.
Yes, sir. And I was the only one who gave a fuck. Yes, sir.
All right. Are you gonna calm down now?
Can I smoke a cigarette or something?
No, that's past.
Yes, sir.
Now, that being said, are you willing to do a field sobriety test for me?
For what? Because y'all are gonna arrest me anyways.
Are you willing to do field sobriety tests?
What does that mean?
Walk
What
and
do I
turn.
need to do? Are you gonna fucking uncuff me because I can't fucking do it like this? Y'all are gonna stress me. I have anxiety.
If you can calm down.
I'm gonna have a panic attack.
If you can calm down.
I'm gonna have a panic attack. I know, but I'm not a bad person, and you guys just fucking think I am.
No, we don't. You're a liar.
I'm not a fucking liar.
You're a liar. You're not a bad person, but you're a liar.
Alright. So be it.
Listen to me.
I need a fucking napkin.
Listen to me.
No, I'm listening, but you guys aren't fucking listening to me. You guys are ruining my life. I haven't had a fucking record in ever.
Okay.
And I'm a good person. I'm a good fucking person. I live right down the road. The only reason I came here was to save my best friend's fucking kids, and then you guys are gonna arrest me.
We're gonna request that you take a breath test when you get to the jail. You willing to do that?
Leave me the fuck alone.
So is that a refusal?
Leave me alone.
Okay. You realize if you refuse...
The suspect's actions led to significant legal violations, primarily including driving under the influence, DUI, as she was intoxicated while operating her vehicle. Under Florida statute section 316.193, it is illegal to drive with a blood alcohol content, BAC, of 0.08% or higher. Penalties for DUI convictions can include fines, license suspension, mandatory driving school, and even imprisonment, especially in cases involving accidents or repeat offenders. The woman also faced a charge of battery, as defined under Section 784.03 of the Florida statutes, due to the intentional striking of the victim with her car. Additionally, her refusal to cooperate with the breathalyzer test further complicated her case. Under Section 3, 161932, Refusing a breath test after being suspected of DUI results in an automatic driver's license suspension, which can have long-lasting legal and personal consequences. This serves as a lesson on the dangers of driving under the influence, followed by an example where alcohol leads to unnecessary outcomes. On January 3, 2024, in Monroe County, Florida, a routine traffic stop turned chaotic when deputies spotted a car with a flat tire. The young driver's conflicting statements quickly raised suspicions of impairment. As events spiraled, her arrest for DUI and resisting arrest left one question. What led to this moment?
Were you, did you hit something, or did it just...
No, I did not hit something.
Understood. Let's get our cars out. Yeah. I'll do mine, I'll do yours.
Yeah, I'll get yours. Where'd you say you were coming from?
From Tavernier.
Tavernier? Okay. And when did it blow? When did the tire blow?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure? You didn't notice when it blew?
Nope.
Okay. Hi. Are you mom?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay, let's just try to stay out of the road so we don't get hit. Do you know if there's a spare tire in the back here?
She doesn't know. She
don't know either?
Nope. No. Here you go.
And then when did you realize you were out of gas?
I'm not out of gas.
Okay, that's what you said in the beginning. No, let's just stand over here, okay?
I'm not out of gas right now.
Okay, so then why did you tell me that when I walked up to the window?
Because I must have been not.
So you're not out of gas?
No, I'm not out of gas.
Okay.
You can check my car right now.
No, I know. I'm just saying that's what you were saying, that you couldn't get it to start because you're out of gas. You couldn't get the engine going.
No, I was in the middle of traffic right now.
Okay.
As deputies neared the vehicle, the woman claimed she'd run out of fuel, but quickly contradicted herself, blaming a flat tire instead. Her slurred speech and glassy eyes told another story, one of possible impairment. How could she expect to hide the truth when her words and actions didn't align? The woman exhibited signs of impairment, struggling to maintain balance and slurring her speech. She denied using alcohol or drugs, but admitted to having a medical marijuana card, claiming it explained her glassy eyes. When deputies suggested a field sobriety test, she refused, insisting she hadn't been driving, further complicating the situation.
We're in April.
Okay. Have you had anything to drink today?
No, I have not.
You have nothing?
No.
I'm asking that because your eyes are really glassy.
I have my medical card. That might be why.
What's your medical card for?
I have my medical marijuana card.
Okay, so is that are you under the influence of that?
No.
Okay. I understand. Look, I'm just asking, okay? Because you're just kind of...
The stories aren't lining up, and...
It's just what I do, okay? When's the last time you smoked, ma'am?
Can I call in the
I
guy
have somebody
from
that tows.
From the truck or take my car back to home?
To tow it home?
Yes.
That would probably be the option if you don't have a spare tire, but can you answer his question for me, ma'am?
I don't have a car to tow. No, I do not.
No, I'm asking you, when was the last time you smoked?
I don't remember.
You don't remember? Okay.
I don't remember.
Okay. I don't really appreciate the attitude, but...
6113, code 5.
Me están preguntando cuando yo fumé. Yo no sé.
Siéntate y tranquilízate.
6113, code 5. Yo sé. I know. I know you guys have to make that answer. I don't have the answers to that question.
Okay.
I have my medical card.
Okay.
If you guys need to look
Fine.
me up.
I'm just making sure you're not too impaired to drive, because I see signs because I'm trained in it.
I'm not driving.
Okay.
I know.
You're kind of all over the place right now. You're not driving, but you were driving. Yeah. What does that mean?
The woman refused the sobriety test, claiming she wasn't driving and was fixing a flat tire, despite her car being in the middle of the road. Growing combative, she elbowed an officer, resulting in a battery charge. Deputies restrained her and took her into custody.
Oh, yeah, DUI, 100%.
All right, can you guys give me in the car, please? Give me in the car.
Hey, this is Kevin.
I'm not going to take a picture because...
Yeah, I already have her in cuffs.
You got
search.
search.
My religion.
No.
No, not yet. Give me a minute, ma'am. Okay. Ma'am, stand right here.
What was I doing?
Yeah, she's unstable.
I'm unstable? I'm unstable?
You're elongating your sentences, okay? You're not making sense. You have bloodshot watery, glassy eyes, okay? I saw you stumble multiple times in the process of you trying to walk.
And I'm unstable right now.
So
I'm unstable right now.
I just told you what I observed, okay?
So I'm unstable right now.
Did you guys already
did you just hear what I said?
Yes or no?
Huh? Yeah,
yes or no?
I don't answer
Yes
to you.
or no?
Go ahead. We're gonna come right here in front of my car so my camera can see everything, okay? Right here. Face this way. Face the camera.
I'm unstable right now, so I hope.
Okay. Face
I hope
the camera.
you know that.
Face the camera.
Okay.
Anything on you that's gonna poke me, prick me, stab me?
Nope.
Nothing.
Nope.
Okay. What's going on with this?
I don't have nothing going on with this. I have nothing unstable right now.
Okay. All right.
I have nothing unstable right now.
All right. Widen your stance for me. Widen your stance.
I'm not widening for me. Nothing.
Diana.
If you're not going to comply, you'll
Get the f away from me.
I didn't touch you. Stop. Stop. I'm gonna back up, Mom. Mom, back up. I need you to back up.
Diana. Stop. Diana.
Stop.
Diana.
She's gonna get another charge.
How am I resisting?
Just stop.
What am I doing?
Because you are not listening to the lawful commands I'm giving you.
Stop.
Pulled.
Yeah, you
Please
don't
stop.
do that.
Just relax.
I have not been drifting.
You don't do that.
Are you?
Now, bitch! Get off! Get off! Get off me! You wait for the.
Too late, Sam. We have a 94.
No! You're not taking me!
A collision has become the focal point of a tense investigation, leading to a series of serious charges. This story also serves as a cautionary tale about the responsibility and consequences of thoughtless actions. Join us as we uncover the dramatic details and the profound lessons on the importance of obeying the law and personal accountability. On January 5, 2023, the police received a call regarding a hit-and-run incident. The authorities then arrived at the scene and took witness statements.
But they're freaking out, and I want to make sure they're okay.
Where's the other vehicle?
I don't know where she went off, but I gave them their license plate number.
Do you remember what kind of car it was?
It was a Toyota Corolla. She went that way.
Northbound?
Yep.
Okay.
I thought she might have pulled
Yeah,
off. I gave her the license plate number.
Can I see that license? Can I see the license plate just in case I need it for the crash report?
I wanted to make sure they're okay.
100%.
I didn't see the accident. All I saw when I was coming up that.
Yeah, but you could help me identify the car if I needed any of that kind of issues. Do you guys have any injuries?
No, well, I have an injury, but it's not for me.
Okay, so everybody's fine? Here, I'm gonna help you open your door.
I was trying to make sure they're okay, and I got the license plate. Okay.
So that way you can exit.
No problem.
The other vehicle involved fled northbound on Ridge. It was a gold or gold.
Wait, what? Okay, so before it even started, though, you were just here stopped at the light?
I was slowly moving up
You're moving.
to here so I could turn.
What, is the light green, red, do you remember?
I was going to stop. It was red.
Red?
So I was moving up slowly to stop.
So you're doing that, and then,
Yeah, the front.
So then, what happened?
Then she was, I see her coming.
Oh, she turned and came all the way out? Well, this car jumped immediately.
So apparently that's what happened. There's a lot of damage, so apparently she just made it around the corner here, and then I guess when she was trying to take off again,
And that's the case now. But what I'm going to be doing, Sherry, or if I call you Sherry. So what I'm going to be doing, see, I can see where they came across the grass here.
Yeah,
Here,
yes,
coming
I
up,
was
they came across and boom into you.
Yeah.
You weren't able to stop it.
Yeah, she actually...
The witness at the scene provided the police with details about the vehicle, including the license plate number and the direction the vehicle was heading after the collision. They also interviewed additional witnesses to help pinpoint the suspect's location.
Get your license, registration, insurance. That's a good phone number for you. I need your insurance, registration. Okay?
Getting insurance.
I mean, you don't have insurance. Okay. Is that why you ran? Okay, then what was the reason?
No, I pulled in here, actually.
No, you didn't. So what's the real reason? Okay, well, this is classified as a hit and run because the accident is a quarter mile that way. Yeah.
And I pulled in here.
No.
I pulled in here.
You can sit there and tell me the story you want. You're still getting charged.
I have, literally, I don't.
Don't know what?
I don't have a reason for running anywhere.
Oh. Huh?
I don't have a reason to
They
run
didn't come
anywhere.
back yet.
Here, let me get that on run through David.
Okay. You pull up here, you know, the walk so far.
Yeah.
Just didn't go all the way through, did it? Just didn't go all the way through. Don't you hate that when you make a turn around a building?
Like, do I pay insurance?
You think it goes all the way through and it doesn't.
That's what you want to ask? That's what you want to ask?
Well, you said you didn't have insurance. You already told me that.
Ask.
You don't have insurance.
I've been living in South Florida for a long time.
What's it got to do with anything?
A long time.
Keep yelling. It's not going to get you anywhere.
You don't have to between your rent and insurance, do you? No, you don't. You don't know what the I'm talking about.
Because I don't have car insurance? Because you don't have car insurance?
At all.
Well, you keep yelling, that's going to get you red. Like, I just take you to jail for hitting.
Matter, bro.
Right? I just take you for hit and run.
It doesn't matter.
Right?
Do your job.
I am.
Write the ticket. Whatever you gotta
Absolutely.
Do it. Do it. Do it.
It's happening.
Do it. Do it. You're a little cocky son of a bitch. Do it. Do it. Do it.
During the investigation, the police discovered that the suspect did not have valid car insurance and her driver's license had been suspended. Upon this discovery, the woman became tense and reacted strongly, challenging the police officers and using disrespectful language.
No fucking insurance because my fucking baby daddy don't fucking help. That's why I don't have insurance.
I'm going to give you one chance.
That's why I don't have insurance. Because my baby.
Or we can pick you, put it back in my car. Which one do you want to do? Do you want to lower the voice because we have kids here, or and you can sit in your car, or you can get back in my car?
I told you why I don't have insurance.
Okay, well that's fine.
I just told you.
Okay, so.
But you're making fun of me.
Go on.
Why's your license suspended?
Because insurance is too expensive.
2 single ones on
that's
her
why.
record.
Yeah. To pay rent or insurance.
I ran already.
Yeah. Nobody has that problem, do they? Nobody has that problem.
Why didn't you contact that?
According to this guy.
And she's pending another suspension in January. In like a couple weeks.
When my car was stolen.
Ma'am.
Nobody had nothing to do with it, right?
The same thing.
Huh? Nobody had car being stolen.
Oh, the suspension? I didn't read up on it.
Right?
Yeah. I didn't read into it, but I'm assuming so.
I can't. I was gonna get
suspension in like
I was gonna get insurance.
Literally, she's already been served the paperwork. It's already been
I was
shipped.
gonna get insurance.
It's just 18th said that she's gonna be facing another suspension.
She repeatedly insisted that she could not afford car insurance, which had put her in financial difficulty, leading to her driver's license being suspended for not maintaining insurance. And this was not the first time she had faced a similar issue.
Which way were you driving?
I was trying to make a U-turn to go to North Florida, where I live, in Cross Springs Drive.
That's Corbridge. That's Corbridge.
That one.
Real? Yep. So you was like westbound.
I wasn't trying to do nothing. I was trying to buy some chocolates, and the lady held me up. I don't know what she was doing, but she was holding.
Well, let me understand the accident first, if you don't mind. Then we can talk about anything else. So you had come out of the CVS?
Yeah, and make a U-turn at the light.
And you went over into the left turn lane. What was the light like at that point?
It was red.
The light was red?
Yeah.
You make a U-turn
And
on a red light?
I was stopped.
Okay, so you came out, got into the left lane with a red light, and then the light changed, or you stand?
No, I obey everything. So I made the U-turn when the light turned green.
Oh. So then you're making your U-turn, and what happened? I'm sorry, what?
The BMW, whatever, the freaking car. I don't know.
Okay.
Maybe she made a wide U-turn and then come back.
You know, you jumped the median in the middle of Atlantic. You don't remember that? You remember the collision? Okay. Well, the tow truck is on the way.
Oh, this one also.
Okay.
I don't know.
I don't need a tow. Can I just get home, please?
After we finish with the paperwork. According to the suspect's statement, she made a U-turn and collided with a BMW. After the incident, she appeared confused, unable to recall the details of the accident, and repeatedly expressed her desire to go home. However, after carefully examining her statement in the scene, the police decided to arrest the woman for further investigation.
Get off me! Get off me! You wait for the
287, we have a 94.
Really?
Routine
Dude,
or code?
Are you seriously looking at this shit right now?
Routine.
Are you seriously looking at this shit? Are you? Are you? Are you?
1455 and 94.
Stop. No! 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 You want to stop.
5 and 94
Get my shit! Right now! No!
Or Region Atlantic.
You f***ing Haitian piece of shit! Huh? No! F*** you! F*** you! That's all you gotta f***ing do!
One female. Need one more unit. Bravo 23, do you respond?
Hold on.
10-4, code 1, female detained.
You have nothing to arrest me! Oh, you have nothing to arrest me! No! You're not taking me! No!
Bro, 690 DC 30.
30.
Get off me! Get off me! Let me get my shoe. Let me get my shoe! So that. No!
Sure, DC.
Oh, they fucking that shit. I need to shit. I'm waiting for my fucking car. For my fucking car. And you wanna fucking put me in here. You wanna put me in here. You can't even that. You fucking bastard. Break in and I will fucking sue you and I will take everything. I will take everything from you.
The suspect clearly displayed resistance toward the officers, repeatedly using foul language and showing aggressive behavior. Even after being placed in the police vehicle, the woman threatened to sue the officers, escalating the situation and making it more tense.
No, leaving the f***ing scene. I'm here. I'm f***ing here. Ain't no leaving the scene. I'm f***ing here, bitch. I didn't leave no f***ing scene.
Of course I didn't search her. She's out of control.
And arrested me for no f***ing goddamn reason.
How many
because
times
I'm
did I tell
being
you to stop?
loud. No, I'm pissed. I'm pissed. I'm pissed. I'm pissed. Because you had no I need to get my f***ing car home.
Put your foot in the car.
I don't. Get these cuffs off me now.
The police decided to arrest her for leaving the scene of the accident, which she vehemently denied. She continued to express anger, shouting and resisting the arrest, demanding the officers to let go of her.
So just so you know, you are going to jail. Your car's getting towed. You're getting cited. Okay? So you're not going to work. You need to stop kicking the car. Okay? Because if you don't stop kicking the car, you're going to get hogtied. All right?
I'm already
I'm going to hogtie you if you keep kicking the door. You understand that?
I'm already f***ing hogtied,
Been warned.
bro.
Stop kicking the car. Stop kicking the car.
What's it doing to you? It's doing nothing to you. It's doing nothing to you.
Keep kicking the car.
It's doing nothing
You've
to
been
you.
warned. Okay.
It's doing
You can roll up
nothing.
the window. No, it's not.
It's doing nothing to you.
Not to me. Just to you.
I know. Yeah, I know.
Here, wait a second. Wait before you get out. What part of Venezuela are you from? Maracaibo? Oh, no, donde nació la salsa, ¿no? Ahí no es donde bailan salsa y dice para Maracaibo voy. ¿Cómo dice la canción? ¿No? Venga aquí.
I have not had a chance to search her.
Search. Do you want to real quick?
Do you want me to, or do you want?
Oh, can you search her real quick?
I know. We just have to check because you're going in the van. Okay. Mirta, I'm going to ask one last time. Okay. Are you sure you don't want me to make any calls for the kids? Okay. I respect it. I just
Do
want
you
to make
want
sure
us to
that
take it to the hospital? All right, Mita, we're going to go to the doctors, okay? You're going to get medically cleared to make sure that you're okay, especially from that accident. I'm going to take the silver off, please. These officers are going to take you in there. We're going to go in there, and everything is going to, we're going to try to make everything better, okay? Look away from it. Mi favorite step outside?
It's Mita.
Mirta.
Mirta? I got you. Watch your arm.
The woman is currently facing a series of legal charges, including resisting police, nonviolent obstruction, leaving the scene of an accident, and not having insurance. All of these violations are prosecuted under Florida law, specifically under Statute 843.02. Obstructing a police officer without using violence can result in up to 1 year in jail and/or a fine of up to $1,000, 0 cents. She is also charged with leaving the scene of an accident, violating Statute 316.061, which can lead to jail time, fines, or even the suspension of her driver's license and vehicle registration, along with financial penalties. Additionally, not having car insurance, as required by Statute 324.021, can lead to the suspension of her driver's license and vehicle registration, along with further financial penalties. These violations are all strictly enforced under Florida law. This story serves as a warning that leaving the scene of an accident and neglecting responsibility not only breaks the law, but also brings serious consequences for both oneself and the community. Adhering to regulations not only protects oneself, but also contributes to building a safer and more just society. Always act with responsibility and conscience to ensure a healthy and sustainable community.